Hey guys, how are you? Today I have another video for you and I'm going to show you what's on the table, the famous JB4 from Burger Tuning. If you're interested in buying this product, go to the Street Power website and there you'll find the Connect kit for the JB4 as well, okay? Let's get to know the JB. Well, guys, let's start by doing the unboxing by showing you the JB4 here on the table. And just a reminder, this is a chip where you don't need to cut any type of wire, so you keep the system completely original and it uses all the original factory connectors. No wire cutting involved. Another thing that is very important is that the JB4 with the Connect kit, where you have the option of connecting via Bluetooth. Not only can you erase any errors that appear in your car's control unit, but you can also make your own programming. That is, you can enter all your programming for turbo pressure, fuel, air intake. You can create your own map from your own home. This is something really cool. In addition, you can do the boost per gear, meaning the pressure per gear, and per rotation. That way, you can reach a much better 0 to 100 faster. As long as you use the boost per gear operation on the JB4 device, another video will show you how to use the JB4 application, explaining how to program it and everything else. In this video, I will show you the installation of the chip and how it is done step by step here, using the engine from the Audi A3, which is the same engine as the Golf GTI with its acclaimed 220 horsepower and 35 original torque. So, let's proceed to the unboxing and then to the installation. So this is the Burger Tuning box. Here is what's inside. It's the JB. Let's find out what we have in here. I have placed my invoice here. Here we have the Connect kit. It's the JB4, the Bluetooth kit. I'm going to show you how the installation is done on the JB4. So this separate item, but if you buy the Connect kit, you'll get this one included. Here we have the cable that you're going to connect to your car's OBD2 so that you can read it, and your car's logs are also there. Finally, we have the JB4. I'm going to take it out here to show it to you. This is the JB4 box. As you can see, all the wirings and connectors are included so that you can install it in your car. All the connectors are 100% plug and play. There is no wire cutting in the system. Everything is perfect. This other wire here also goes to the car without cutting wires. And that's it, guys. It's very straightforward. Now let's move on to installing the Connect kit. After installing the Connect kit, we're going to proceed with the car's installation. Here we have a note from Burger Tuning thanking us and giving us some information about the chip. Inside here we also have a JB4 brand sticker for you to put on your car. Let's go and install the Connect kit. To start the installation, we're here with the box. For the JB4, we will need a screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. So here is our screwdriver. We will put it here in the corner and open this little box. Let's open it here so we can access the board. It's very easy to open the box. Here's the JB4 box and we have the kit to install. Let's open it. Let's remove the little system and make the connection. It's very simple, very easy to connect. We'll get the two tiny screws here to attach it correctly to the JB4 board. That's it. This side is already fitted. We got it fitting perfectly. We will pass this wire through this little hole we have in the chip itself. There's already space. This little device here we can stick on the outside, and this blue wire here that you see in the video, we will connect it here. Okay, so we're going to connect this to the red wire, the first red wire here. We're going to thread the blue wire through the rubber gasket that you see so it fits nicely. The thread we're going to use is the first red one, the one that comes with the kit. You will release the first part, the top part, which is the gray part and the pink parts, okay? What are we going to do? We will take this small pin, it will fit in the middle of the red wire. Fitted here in the middle of the red wire. We will come with the second part here. We will screw it in and tighten it so that it opens the wire. Then in this other small part here that we have at the top, we will take the blue thread, insert it here into this small hole that we have at the top. And then we're going to attach this second part here. Now you're going to take double-sided tape, put it behind the device. I'm going to make a small cutout here too. Make it look nice so I can stick it on top of the device because I don't want it to be loose in the car, okay? Release the tape here. I'm going to stick it here on the side of it actually. Stick it on the top of it here, the connect kit. Leave it securely stuck here. It's quite simple to install. It takes a bit to get it right. Just the